In this video, I am going to teach you how to celebrate your work anniversary on LinkedIn. If you're proud of your career milestone and want to share it with your network, this is the perfect guide. Let's make your professional celebration shine online. Let's get started. First, go to LinkedIn and sign into your account. Make sure your profile is updated for a more engaging post. Then click Start a Post at the top of your feed. This is where you can begin creating your celebration message. Next, click the icon labeled Celebrate an Occasion. You'll find it at the bottom of the post editor among the options. After that, choose Work Anniversary from the list. LinkedIn will guide you to personalize the post for your role. Just edit the message if you want to add a thank you or a career reflection, then click Next and finally hit Post. Your network will now see and engage with your achievement. And that's how you celebrate your work anniversary on LinkedIn. If this helped you mark the moment, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!